This is the YouTube channel that downloads TikTok videos, uploads them on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, and gains around 744,000 likes and 13,000 comments in just one YouTube short video. Not only that, but according to the Social Blade, this YouTube channel has received over 18.4 million views in the previous 30 days. You can guess how much money they'll make by copying and pasting short videos. If we receive these many views on our YouTube channel, you can't even imagine how much money you will make by using the monetization strategy that I am going to reveal in this video. Almost all of their short videos are watched by millions of people, and these videos are all about body transformation and weight loss. This channel's niche is weight loss and body transformation, which has motivated many of those who wish to transform their bodies and lose weight. And the most interesting fact is that this channel was created on December 27, 2021, and it received 1.6 billion views in 1 year. From this, you might understand how popular this niche is, and it's a trendy niche. Today, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can create the same type of YouTube Shorts channel and how this YouTube channel makes money from these shorts so that you can implement the same technique and make hundreds of thousands of dollars just by working on your spare time. Since it is a step-by-step tutorial, if you skip any of the steps, you will most likely struggle to make money from this type of YouTube short. Keep watching till the end and make sure to smash that like and subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a brand new make money online idea on this channel. So, let's get started with the first step. As you can see, all of the shorts fall into the weight loss category. For example, motivation for weight loss, body transformation, weight loss transformation, and so on. These are all the TikTok videos that have been downloaded. You can see, the TikTok logo appears in all of their videos. You won't have to worry about copyright because the sample channel is here, and we won't make money from YouTube ads. That is why you do not need to be concerned about copyright. What you need to do is, head over to TikTok and search for something like weight loss, and you'll see that TikTok will recommend some keywords like weight loss transformation. If I go for this keyword, you must first prove that you are a human being. I'm verifying this, and then it'll show you all of the videos about body transformation. Just see the title, weight loss journey, and some meals and snacks I ate to lose weight, and so on. These are all videos that demonstrate their weight loss journey, and people like watching them. If I click on load more, you will see that lots of videos are coming about the weight loss journey. You don't need to be concerned about getting content for your YouTube channel. If I search for another phrase, such as weight loss exercise at home, all of the videos are about weight loss exercises that you can perform at home. So, what you need to do is, just open the video and then download it. How can you download this? For downloading this, I want you to come over to Google and search for a TikTok video downloader without a watermark. Then Google will show you a list of websites where you may download TikTok videos without the watermark. Let's go ahead and open this website called Snapdeck, which I'll be using to download my TikTok videos. What you need to do now is simply copy the URL for the video, head over to this website, paste the link, and then click on the download. It will provide the download button, through which you can easily download the TikTok video. As you can see, this video has been downloaded, but the watermark remains. We do not want this watermark. Let's have a look at another website called istic.io. Simply copy the TikTok video URL and paste it into this website, then click on the download button. This website will provide you with several options for downloading without a watermark. If I click on it without the watermark button, it will display an ad. Simply close the ad, and the download will begin. You can notice that the watermark has been removed from the video at this time. This website removes the watermark from the video, so you can use this website to download videos. Once you've downloaded the TikTok videos on weight loss or body transformation, the next step is to figure out how this channel makes money with these short videos. I want you to come up on this YouTube channel again. Don't worry, the channel name will be revealed later in the video. Just keep watching till the end. If I open one of their short videos and then go to its comments section, I can see that there is a pinned comment. And they are promoting a weight loss product called Fizzy Juice that burns 62 pounds in 7 weeks in the pinned comment. If I click on this link, you will see that this is a product link that is weight loss related. This product is promoted by these YouTube shorts. When I click on the read more options, they list all of the bonuses that people will receive when they purchase. This pinned comment has 460 likes, which indicates that others will look into the pinned comment and this type of product. If only 1,000 of these millions of viewers buy this product, and as the product costs $40, they will make around $40,000 by publishing this type of YouTube short. That is how this channel makes money. This is the product they offered. This product may have been created by them, but you are not required to create anything. We are going to sell an affiliate product. To find weight loss products, I'd like you to go to clickbank.com. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace with a high affiliate commission per sale. There are several weight loss, diet, and fitness products that you may promote and make money for. All you have to do is click on this login button and then log into your ClickBank account. If you do not already have an account, you may create one from this link. You only need to follow a few steps to create your completely free account. Simply enter your country, first and last name, phone number, email address, and password and sign up. Once you have signed up, it will take you to this kind of dashboard. Then from here, you need to click on Affiliate Marketplace. It will show you all of the product categories that you may promote with your YouTube Shorts. I want you to go to the health and fitness category product and then click on this diet and weight loss product from there. The smoothie diet recipe, which is a 21-day rapid weight loss program, is now an extremely popular product. In addition, the program pays a $25 commission on each sale. If you only sell 1,000 products every month, which are quite easy to sell, you will make around $25,000 with this type of YouTube Shorts channel. You will find its landing page over here. This product focuses on delicious and simple smoothie diet recipes that will help you lose weight in 21 days. The gravity score of 207 indicates that this is the best-selling product. This product has an excellent landing page, which increases the chances of conversion. I suggest that you should promote the product once you have ensured that it has a good landing page as well as a good gravity score. You may also promote this smoothie diet recipe on your YouTube Shorts channel. Simply click on this promote button, enter your nickname, and then click on create hop link. This will generate a hop link for you that you can copy and paste in the comment section on every short on your channel. After posting your comment, tap the three dots menu icon next to it, select the pin option, and pin it. When you pin a comment, it becomes the first comment that visitors see when they visit your video's comments section. So, the YouTube channel that is going to make this kind of short video is called Fit for Life, which has gained 226,000 subscribers within 1 year. So, in just 1 year, you can create a channel like this and upload this kind of short, and make around $10,000 from YouTube pure passively. Here, this YouTube channel also adds the product link in the channel banner. Let's see how you can do so. Once you have created your YouTube channel, you will get this customized channel button. If I click on this button, I will get all the options to customize my YouTube channel. Now, you need to click on this basic info, and here you will be able to add some links. Just you need to add the product name, for example, simply copy the product name from here, the smoothie diet, and then paste it over here, and after that add the affiliate URL. That's it. Then simply click on publish. Now if I go to my YouTube channel, you will see that our affiliate product will also be visible on the channel banner. So, I am going to show you almost everything to make money using the YouTube Shorts channel. Now if you are interested to know more exciting ways to make money using YouTube Shorts, watch the next video shown on the screen, and make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so that you won't miss any online money-making opportunities. See you in the next video.